In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your ClickUp workspace by using its hierarchy system. Setting up ClickUp properly is crucial to managing your projects and tasks efficiently, so let's dive right in. First, we start by heading over to ClickUp's website, which is widely known as the Everything app for work. Just type clickup.com into your web browser. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Many people prefer the Google authentication method for its simplicity and ease of access, so go ahead and choose Sign in with Google, and then select your Google account from the list to proceed. Upon signing in, you'll land on your home dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. To begin setting up your workspace, look for the Dashboard section. Click on it and here is where you can create a new dashboard. This will be your starting point to organizing everything else. Once you're on dashboards, the next step involves creating spaces. Spaces are fundamental to structuring your ClickUp environment as they define the broad categories or departments for your projects. On the left sidebar, find the Spaces section and click the plus icon to create a new space. This will be the second tier in your hierarchy. After creating a space, it's time to add depth to it with folders. Folders help you categorize different projects within a space, offering another layer of organization. Click the three dots next to your newly created space and choose Create Folder. Make sure to give your folder a name that reflects its content for easy navigation later. Inside each folder, you'll want to maintain lists for even further organization. Click the three dots next to your folder title and select Create List. Similarly, name your list to correlate with the tasks it will contain. Now, inside your list, you can begin adding tasks. Click on Add Task, name your task, and then provide a detailed description for clarity. It's important to note that adding a clear description helps to avoid confusion, especially when collaborating with team members. Next, assign the task by clicking on the Assignee option and selecting the team member responsible for completing it. Additionally, you can set a due date by clicking Due Date. This will not only help you manage your time effectively, but also ensure that everyone is aware of deadlines. Once you have everything set up as desired, wrap things up by clicking Create Task. This finalizes your task setup and places it within your list, ready for tracking and execution. And there you have it. With these steps, you've effectively set up your workspace hierarchy in ClickUp, enabling you to manage your projects with greater precision and efficiency. Enjoy your organized workspace and happy tasking.